Alright, today we're gonna go over some cooking terms, and first one we're gonna do is to beat. Now to beat means to stir or mix ingredients with either a whisk, a spoon, or a mixer. So to do that you need one of those three and a bowl. So you would just mix or stir in your bowl, and then you do good. You would use this when you do egg whites. You use your whisk and make some fluffy or stuff like that, and make some cake batters because that's to be mixed, and to make whipped cream. So yeah. Alright, the second term we're going to do is to fold in, and it means to combine ingredients together carefully by stirring through the mixture and bringing the spoon back up to the top gently. And it adds air into it, and it makes it fluffy.
Blends.
And it blends it. To do this you need a spatula or a spoon, and a bowl. Now, you would use this to make fluffy pancakes, or to do angel food cake, and adding pudding to Cool Whip. So how you do it, you take your spatula or your spoon, and you kind of go like this, and fold it, and then like this, and fold it. So you kind of do the edges, and to the middle a little bit, and slowly and gently. You kind of turn the bowl, just because. So yeah, that's it. Okay, for the third cooking term is going to be brush. You use a pastry brush and brush the top of the food with melted butter or runny egg whites. Because I don't think you want to melt egg whites. But anyway, to do this you need a pastry brush. I think it's a meat brush, but we'll pretend it's a pastry brush. Okay? And then you need a bowl to dip your brush in and put it on the item, and you'd put it on cinnamon buns, the butter. Put it on cinnamon buns before you put them in the oven, and bread, to put butter on the top or the inside or something. So you just go like that and put it on the bread. Alright, the fourth cooking term we're going to do is to dredge. So what you'll need is a plate or your pan where you're going to put in the oven, and a bowl so you can put your breadcrumbs or cracker crumbs in. To dredge means to lightly coat food with flour, breadcrumbs, or cracker crumbs. So yeah, and then you would use this for pork chops, chicken, or fish. So I have my fish right there, or no, my chicken right there. Then you take it and you put it in the breadcrumbs, or the cracker crumbs, or the flour, and then you make it all covered, and then you can put it on your pan. And you do that again, and it's all ready. Well, after you put it in the oven, it's ready. Okay, so the fifth and final cooking term is to score. Now, to score is to cut diagonal slits on the top of meat. And what you need for this is a sharp knife. And you pretend this is your meat, and I'm using the correct side. You just kind of slice it kind of like that. No, keep going, keep going. Okay, so as I was saying, you take your knife and you kind of make slits on it so that it lets the juices kind of go into the meat, and if you do it on bread, it makes it look pretty and professional. I'm gonna put this knife away now.